Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with RealtyMogul for diversified property investing, full guide step by step clearly. To connect with RealtyMogul for diversified property investing, start by visiting their official website. Look for the Get Started or Sign Up button, usually located prominently on the homepage. Click on the button to begin the registration process. You will need to enter your email address and create a secure password. Make sure your password is strong, combining letters, numbers, and special characters. After filling in your information, click on Create Account or the equivalent option. Check your email for a confirmation message from RealtyMogul. Open the email and follow the provided link to verify your account. Once verified, log into your RealtyMogul account using your email and password. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the available options. Look for the Invest section to view current investment opportunities. Here, you will find a variety of property investments suited for diversified portfolios. Review each opportunity carefully, checking the details and financial projections. If something interests you, click on it for more in-depth information. You can also download any available offering documents for comprehensive insights. Once you've selected an investment, you'll likely need to complete an investor questionnaire. This questionnaire helps RealtyMogul understand your investment goals and risk tolerance. Fill out the questionnaire accurately to facilitate your investing journey. After submission, you may have to wait for approval based on your investor profile. Once approved, return to the investment opportunity of your choice. Select your investment amount and proceed to the Payments section. Choose your preferred payment method for your initial investment. After payment, you should receive a confirmation of your transaction. Keep an eye on your dashboard for updates related to your investment performance. For ongoing support, utilize the customer service options available on the website. You may also explore their educational resources to enhance your investment knowledge. Consider joining their community forums to connect with other investors. By following these steps, you'll successfully connect with RealtyMogul for diversified property investing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.